I'm Suzette Kitzelman with Rodeo Realty Beverly Hills, and it's the end of July 2020. We're in the middle of the pandemic, and I want to share with you a really simple equation, okay? The lowest interest rates we've ever had in United States history are available right now. And when you add that to not enough homes on the market, what happens is you get multiple offers for homes that are put on the market right now and priced properly. The reason people are moving could be anybody's guess. They need more room. They need a home office maybe. They need more room to get away from their spouse. They need room for homeschooling their children. Maybe they want more outdoor space. Maybe they're living in a condo building and they need a backyard so they have some outdoor space that's going to be safe for them. And all sorts of reasons contribute to this. People are moving. The market has really heated up. 40% jump in home sales from May to June of this year. It's pretty phenomenal. I've sold 4 properties in the last month. I sold an apartment building, I sold 2 condos and a single family home. I have 2 more things in escrow. This is the reason I haven't been making videos, guys. I've been super busy. And here's the thing. Right before the presidential election, business tends to slow down. Real estate transactions drop off really slow for a couple of months before the presidential election every time. And that's because people want to see what's going to happen as a result of the election. So right now, at the end of July, if you're thinking of selling at all this year, you should really put your property on the market right now. It could be income property, investment property, a single family home, a condominium, whatever. But if you want to sell, now is a good time. Make sure you price it properly and you'll get it sold in the next 3 months, most likely, unless it's, got a giant hole in the roof or something crazy like that. Okay, I digress. Back to the script. Anyway, during the next 3 months, it's a feeding frenzy with buyers if you price your property properly. If you wait until just before the election and put your property on the market, there are not going to be that many buyers. Everybody will be waiting to see what happens as a result of the election. So that's my word of the day. I'm Suzette Kitzelman, Rodeo Realty Beverly Hills. You can reach me there. You can Google me. You can find me on YouTube. And it looks like my phone is ringing over there. If you like this video, if you like me, please hit like and subscribe, and then you'll know when the next one comes out. And I will do another one very soon. I'll give you another market update, okay? Thank you so much, and I hope you guys are staying safe. Please don't burn anything down. Somebody worked very hard to build it, so let's all be kind to each other, okay? Thank you so much. Bye.